If you want to build a new good habit or remove the existing bad habit, then you have to go through a number of challenges, right? So today in this video, I'm going to give you some tips that can help you to build your new good habit or remove the existing bad habit. So I'm Rajat Bias. In this video, I'm going to share some tips with you to build a new good habit. So the first and most important thing in building your habit is be honest with yourself. What you think you do, be honest with yourself. If you are not honest with yourself, then no one going to help you. So make sure you are understanding what tasks you are doing and you are honest with yourself. Like if you are planning something to do on the Sunday and you are doing something else, like if you want to do a week plan on the Sunday, and what you're doing, just watching the movie or doing the worthless thing, then you're not honest with yourself. You have planned for something else and you're doing something else. So make sure you are putting your 100% to make sure you are doing the right things. So for that, what your things you want to do, just do it. Like you can make your to-do list, you can note down it on your board. It is going to help you, right? The second thing and most important thing is knowing your trigger. If you want to build something new, then you have to understand that what things is going to impact due to this new thing. Suppose you are adding new habit of walking every morning. So if you want to add this new habit, then what other things is going to impact? Maybe your sleep, maybe your morning other things like reading book or something. So these things are going to impact. So understand your triggers, that what things it is going to get impact due to this new change. Then only you will put your 100% there, right? The third thing, I say this is the very important thing, that setting your goal. If you are not clear with your goal, then how you can achieve it? So make sure you have clarity on your goal. If you don't have that, just work on that first. Understand it. Get help from the others, that how you can have clarity on your goals and how you can achieve that, right? So setting your goal is really, really important. So spend some time to understand your goal and make sure you have clarity in that goal, right? The fourth thing is developing a good habit is good, but make sure you are rewarding yourself. If you reward yourself, then you are definitely going to enjoy it. So make sure you are rewarding yourself with the good habit. What your good habit you want to build, reward something to you. This is definitely going to help you to boost your confidence to work on your new habit, right? And the fifth thing, which is really, really important, is that don't beat yourself by sleeping time to time. If you are just giving excuses and getting rest, then it is not going to help. If you want to do something new, then you have to be uncomfortable. You cannot do all the things in the comfortable, right? So make sure you are following these 5 steps that can help you to build your good habit. Now let's just talk about what is this 21 days rule. Is this really work? So understand, this is not just the thing that you do the things and it happens. You have to put your 100%, right? Then only you are going to achieve it. There is no thing called the 21 days rule. If you do much research on that, you will understand that. This is all in your mind. Then if it is not 21 days, then how many days it required to build a new habit? So as per the research done in the 2019, it takes almost the 66 days. That is almost the 2 months, more than the 2 months to build a new habit. But you have to be consistent, right? So make sure you are putting a little bit effort for yourself to build this habit, right? That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next. Till then, take care. Have a wonderful day ahead.